Alright you guys, so we're going to need a circle box. I got this one downtown for next to nothing. It was really cheap. I got it in black. I just wasn't in the mood to spray paint anything, so you want to get in a color that you like. White, black, red, doesn't matter. You're going to need fake flowers. These ones also were from downtown. They look super real. Like when they're bunched up together, then they look so pretty. Like I got asked a lot of questions yesterday. It's like, oh my god, are these real? Where'd you get them? I was like, no, they're fake. Anyway, and then I got like a foam board. They're super small, so I'm going to have to get really creative with this one. They don't even like. Can you see this? You want to get one that is extremely bigger than this one, and then you're going to need a pair of scissors to cut with. So let's just get right into it. Alright, so I'm just going to start off by measuring. I think what I'm going to do is because I have both of them, so I'm just going to do this twice and we'll take it from there. I'm just going to start with, I'm going to cut around it just to get the shape of the box. And you want to use a proper cutting tool for this. Don't be like me and use the scissors. I don't have a box cutter or anything, and I'm too lazy to go downstairs. So anyway, we'll see. I'll try to cut around it like that, and I'll do the same with the other one, and I'll see if just kind of fit together. I'm just going to go back in and I'm just going to cut out around the edge, just clean it up a bit and just get the circle. So I did the same to the second one, and I just placed it right above the first one to cover up those the spaces that were there around the corners. And yeah, it looks decent. There's still a little space there, but that's alright. So the next thing I'm going to do is cut the roses and start sticking them into the foam board. I'm going to cut from about here, just because it's double, like instead of one it's two foam boards, so I want to make sure it really goes. That looks decent. So one down, a billion more to go. Alright you guys, so I just finished with the first row. It's already coming together. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so you want to go around in a circle, like in a circular motion. And I ran out of red flowers, so I had a bunch of fake white flowers lying around, so I'm just going to use those instead. But yeah, like I'm so excited. It looks so pretty already. So I'm just going to keep going around and around and around, but with the white. So I hope that looks nice. If not, then I'll just take out all the red and then use the white first of all, and then come back in with the red.
And then March wind and April shower, romance will soon be ours, and outdoor paradise for two.
All done, and look how pretty. I can't. Oh my god, this is so pretty, and it was so easy. It took me like 20 minutes to get all this together. And even though the general aesthetic was not what I wanted it to be, because I wanted it to be all red, you know, to go with the black, I think it still came out really good. I got creative with the white. I'm just feeling this. So yes, definitely do not wait for your boo to send you a bouquet of flowers. You can make your own, and these last longer. These last forever because they're fake. So there you have it, a bougie on a budget. Anyway, so yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys create some stuff as well. And if you do, make sure you tag me, Jackie A, on Instagram. And yeah, so thank you guys again for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day.